What's going on YouTube? So today's video we do have a Neewer LED panel light. This one is not including the clamp that goes to the desk or a tripod or anything like that. So if you want to check one of those out, I'll also leave a link in the description for that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and check this out. This retails for about 50 bucks ish. So let's go and check this out here. You have everything included with the power supply. Now this does have a built-in battery, so you can use the power supply to charge it as well as to keep it powered on. It's vice versa. So this is what it is. This one is UL certified, and it is a 15 volt 2 amp model. And then we do have the little tripod mount, I guess you could say. Now this allows you to untighten, and then you could tilt it up and down. And then you also have the option to cold shoe mount it. So if you want to cold shoe mount it on a camera or any other cold shoe mount equipment, you could do that. And it has a little lock here so it doesn't move around or swivel off its axis. So yeah, pretty cool. That comes with that. Here's the unit itself, and then you do have some, paperwork and stuff. Let's get that out of there. So this is what the unit is looking like. It has a very slim profile, which I really appreciate, with a very minimal fan and a bunch of vents. You can see all around here. It does have a bunch of vents, so it's going to stay cool and it's going to stay hopefully quiet. We'll see about that. It does have an LED panel right here, so it'll display the temperature, Kelvin, brightness, power, all that. And it shows right here that this is a 20 watt model, 8,000 milliamps, and the brightness is 4200 Kelvin at 100%, 660 lux lumens. It says the distance as well, so 2400 lumens at half a meter, and then 660 at a full meter. So it's good for about 5 feet. Right here we do have power, the input power here, the power button, the temperature control, and the brightness. So we can actually just turn this on here by just pressing that button there. You press and hold it, and then you have all your display options. You have the percentage, the battery life, and the Kelvin temperature. So if we move the Kelvin temperature, it's going to start getting warmer as you go down. So you scroll it down, it's going to start getting warmer, and it goes all the way down to 3200. If you bring it up, it's going to get cooler, and it goes up to 5600 Kelvin. And the 42 is about daylight white, so it'll be a good balance for skin tones and stuff like that. That's what I noticed. But if you want a certain look for your streams or whatever, then you can do either or. It's a nice flexibility, and it's very, very bright. So this is at 14%, but it is really bright. I'm going to turn off this light here. So now it's only this, and that's 14%. It does have a little bit of a hiss or whatever. I'm not too sure if the microphone picked it up, but 16%. I'll go and mess with the temperature. So now it's at a warm one. Now it's at 100%, which is really good for just one light, and it's soft lighting too. So it's going to be easy on the eyes. It's going to also be very soft for shadows and all that. So it's really well made, very thin, very light. And also it does have a tripod mount. I forgot to show you that. It also does have this tripod mount there on the bottom, so you can actually do that with the lock mechanism. So if you're going to screw it on, you could either screw it on as is, and you can't really adjust it unless you have one that adjusts like a ball head. Then you can do that, or you can use the included one and then use one of those C-clamp things. So what I would do is install it like this, and then you go ahead and twist this on. There we go. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. So then you just go ahead and untighten it or loosen it there, and you can go ahead and tilt it up and down, which is nice. Cold shoe mount available as well. Now I already have a spot for this. I just recently upgraded my setup, and this was the previous tripod mount that I had. It has a swivel head, so you can easily adjust it. You can put it all the way down so you can have, lighting straight down towards the table, and you can angle it pretty much however you want. You can even extend it higher, lower, whatever you want. So it's pretty nice. That's one of the ball heads I would recommend. That's the one that came with a different stream light, but it was more expensive. This one might be, I'll probably find a link if there's available. It probably is, but you go and twist this on to something like that, and then you're able to adjust it completely 360 just like that. So yeah, that's pretty simple. You can tilt it, adjust it however you want, so you're angled with the lighting, the best possible lighting, and then you just plug in the power and you're pretty much good to go. Obviously the battery life on it is actually pretty good. I haven't killed it. I probably used it for 4 hours at 10% brightness, 14%, whatever it was already at, and it has a memory function, so it'll still remember. I've had it at that, and it still hasn't died, so that's pretty nice. Okay, so you can go ahead and see the quality of the light itself. It's performing really, really well. In my opinion, when you're doing videos that are like this or streaming or anything like that, it's super important to be able to see your face, especially with like crappier webcams. They do need a lot better lighting when it comes to, seeing in general. So I just recommend to try something out like this. It doesn't hurt the bank. It's 50 bucks. Less than 50 bucks actually, I believe. Also, I do have their lighting in the background. These little lights right here I use on my desk, and I also have the cob light version I use pretty much all the time. So I use Neewer lighting. I'm not just like a once in a lifetime person to use their Neewer lighting. I use their lighting for all of my videos pretty much. So if you guys like what you see in my videos, just know I'm using Neewer products, and I really love that we are able to cooperate every single time. I appreciate Neewer. I thank you guys for supporting. We're going to be doing giveaways very soon, so stay tuned for that. This one's actually a giveaway for one of my friends, so he's going to start doing more streaming and webcams and stuff. So without further ado, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. We out.